Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to add Netflix to your Discord status. First of all, open Discord. Click on Menu from the right corner. Go to the People icon. Open your profile icon. Click on Set Status. Then choose Set a Custom Status. Here, write Watching Netflix. Then go into Stickers, search Netflix here. It won't show any emoji on Netflix. Check in how many ways you can add emojis. Then show the clear time of status. Now you can see your custom status in Options. Minimize the app. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.